Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the BMW X5 on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see reversing sensors. This car's also got a reversing camera. Plenty of boot space, which can be increased further by opening this section up or down, should you wish to. We then have, as you can see, the hybrid plug-in charging cable there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car now. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. Over on the far right-hand side, the battery charge level. Over to the sort of central left section, we have the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer, and then on the right-hand side of that central section, we have all your hybrid elements. So it'll show you whether the batteries are charging as you're driving and how much of the power you're using as well. You can see in the center, we've got the satellite navigation being displayed currently. You can change that information should you wish to, using controls on the steering wheel. You've got various different things available to you that you can have up there. All changed, as I say, using the buttons on the steering wheel itself. You can see, you can cycle through the information just there for your music, for example. We have the minus and plus pedals so that you can change up and down a gear. Manually with this automatic gearbox. We have cruise control and speed limiter over on that left-hand side. In the center, we have the main touch screen for the car. Massive display, as you can see. You can come back out to the home screen from up here. You can use the touch screen to access things, for example, like your satellite navigation. Or you can, as you can see me doing now, use this dial just here. So this is the iDrive system. Essentially, you can do everything from the dial should you wish to. You have buttons around it as well to access things, for example, as you can see there, like your satellite navigation. But the dial can do virtually everything. So if you want to access your music, you can do. And you can see there we've got our DAB radio is the menu that we're on at the moment. You can manually search for stations. We can come all the way back over to the left where you can access your FM radio, your own music collection, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. You can do screen mirroring from your phone as well. Once you've paired your phone up, of course, which is done over on the left-hand side here under the communication heading that you can see just there. We've also got various bits of car information available and the full color reversing camera as well, which has got guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. So for example, as you turn the wheel, you will see that that will turn on the screen as well. Working our way down from there, we have our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase the fan speed for the passenger side. Similarly, the same for the driver's side as well. The air conditioning is on at the minute. You can put the whole system into auto if you wish to. So for the driver and for the passenger, when you do that, the car will take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can go back to your own settings whenever you wish to. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and of course the same over here for the passenger side, as you can see. Beneath that, we have the volume for the stereo and a few physical buttons for radio presets, for example. You can open this section up. There's 2 cup holders in there, USB input, wireless phone charging on this pad just here. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This is where you start and stop the engine for the car. And then we've got various things from your traction control, parking sensors. You can turn on and off. You can adjust the ride height of the vehicle. We have an electronic handbrake with auto hold function and the different driving modes as well. So as you can see there, sport, hybrid, electric, adaptive as well. So plenty of adjustments you can make in this car. Last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we hold for the car. So firstly, of course, you can see the V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner vehicle from new, 2 keys with the car, the MOT certificate, which expires on the 16th of the 5th, 2025, and then a printout showing the service record on this vehicle, which you can see just here. There is an additional service to be added to this, which was only done a few days ago, as of the time of filming this video, on the 22nd of May. So that will be added to here, so full service history as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.